Happy Foodie Friday, I'm Kelly.
And I'm Kennedy.
And today we're at Raining Berries, located in the Cypress Creek Town Center in Lutz.
Founded in 2018, Raining Berries is a super cute modern style cafe that specializes in acai bowls, ethically sourced coffee, teas, and smoothies.
This is the perfect spot for studying, coffee dates, work meetings, or just taking cute selfies by their gorgeous flower wall. We gotta try some of the most popular items at Raining Berries, so let's dig in.
Up first, their iconic bowls. Raining Berries offers acai, pitaya, coconut, and matcha bowls. Their bowls are handcrafted with the highest quality ingredients and are made right in front of your eyes.
I had their It's Raining Berries acai bowl, which is a mixture of acai, granola, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, coconut flakes, Nutella, and peanut butter.
And I had their new Matcha Paradise bowl, which is a matcha sorbet, granola, pineapple, mango, strawberry, and coconut flake mixture. These bowls were delicious and so light and refreshing.
We also ordered their iced vanilla latte and hot masala chai latte. We love these drinks, so much so we couldn't help but dance and celebrate at how good they tasted.
But the main winner was their avocado toast. Topped with red pepper flakes, salt, lemon, everything seasoning, cherry tomatoes, and arugula, this toast was to die for. It was super filling and paired perfectly with their immunity-boosting dragon fruit soda.
If you're looking to try some of the best coffee and acai bowls around, definitely check out Raining Berries. See you next week. Bye!